Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays.
From, where are we? Sanford. We're in Sanford.
This is the first holiday season in a few years that we've been able to spend it at home, wherever our home happens to be docked or parked at.
Right. We've always using the holidays as an opportunity to go visit a family and such, and actually this year we're having some family come visit us for pre-Christmas, and then we're having Christmas on the boat with our cat, with a little tree. Actually, we got 2 little trees and decorations, and it is just nice to be home for the holidays.
And we've been ramping up the holidays at this cute little historic town of Sanford. Town Christmas tree right behind us here in town center. They've had all sorts of street parties and festivals and gatherings, so it's just been really fun to be part of that.
Yeah, we're actually going to see the Christmas Carol performed on stage right here, right just down the street in just a few hours, and we've just been having so much fun in this little town.
So, hoping that you're having a happy holiday season. You have lots of warmth, love, doing what it is you want to be doing this season, and we can't thank you enough for being a part of our journey.
And yeah, here's to, if we don't do any sort of little live or update or anything before New Year's Eve, here's to a happy year in the past and to a good 2019 ahead. Hopefully there's a great year.
Lots of fun stuff coming up, I hope. And yeah, we got some busy work to do this week in prepping for year end.
And boat projects, always boat projects.
Lots of nice boat projects.
Some really cool boat projects actually just happened.
So, happy holidays to you from us, and thank you. Thank you for being such a warm and wonderful part of our journey and sharing, because this would be no fun sharing if you guys weren't watching.
Take care.